Parents always want what is best for their children. No one can love a child more than their parents. Parents love their children the most, and every parent wants what is best for their children. If you are a parent, you can understand. But in today's world of distractions, instant gratification, and social media pressure, are we really telling them what matters the most and what is most important for them to know? Well, don't worry. Hello and welcome back. I am Tanisha Sharma, and today I'll be sharing with you 5 powerful lessons that you should tell your children every single day. So without any delay, let's get started with the lesson number 1. Character matters more than score. Let me tell you this with an example. Now imagine there's a boy called Arav in school who scores 95% in his exam and everyone praises him, but he's only stuck with studies. Now there's another boy in his class known as Rohan who scored 80%, but when finds a wallet full of money outside the school, instead of keeping it, he returns it to the principal. The next day, the school announces his name not for his marks but for his honesty. Your marks may help you get into a good college or get a good job, but your character will take you through life. A person with kindness and honesty is always valued more than the person who just scores good marks. So well, keep this in your mind to teach your students that character matters more than your scores. Of course, it is important to focus on your scores, to focus on your studies, but a good character should always be a priority. Well, lesson number 2. Study and work for your identity, not your parents. Every children almost once in lifetime hears this. You better study well or you're gonna embarrass us in front of relatives, society. Why didn't you get good marks? Why are you using your phone? Why are you not studying? Hearing all these things from the parents, the people they love the most, when they discourage them, they don't motivate. Instead, they demotivate their children. Well, let me give you an example. Meera's parents keep telling her, study well or you'll embarrass us. But then she meets an old man who once worked as a scientist. He says, I never studied for my parents. I studied because I wanted to become someone people remember. Meera realizes that success is not for her parents, it's for herself. The child should have the feeling that whatever I am doing is for myself. I am gonna be benefited from what I am doing and not my parents. But rather, every parent tells their children to work hard and study well for their parents, not themselves. Always tell your children that they are not required just to study to make their parents happy or relatives happy or the society happy. They must do it to create their own identity, to stand tall in life and to be proud of themselves. Lesson number 3. Discipline and hard work beat talent. Imagine there are 2 boys, Ramesh and Karthik. They play football. Ramesh is talented but skips practice. Karthik is average but works hard every single day. On the day of the match, Ramesh struggles while Karthik scores the winning goal. Now, what did you understand with this? That no matter how talented someone is, if you work really hard, if you give your 100%, you can beat the talent. And that is what every parent should teach their children, to work hard. Doesn't matter if they don't have enough talent for it. If they work hard, they practice more, and if they are consistent in what they are doing, you'll achieve great success. Discipline and hard work are always in your control, but talent, it's not. Tell your children that no matter how talented someone is, discipline, effort, and hard work will always make a real difference. Lesson number 4. Wasting money today will cost you tomorrow. Let me again give you an example. A young man, Arjun, wastes money on expensive gadgets and dining out every day. But one day, he faces a crisis. His father's business shuts down. He has to sell his favorite bike just to survive. So it doesn't mean if you have enough money right now, you'll be having it tomorrow as well. It is important to value money and to think about the future as well. To teach them how to save money and how to utilize it in the future properly. Only then your children will understand the real value of money. If you spend money on things that you don't need, then one day you'll have to sell something that you truly need. So teach your children to respect money and save wisely. Lesson number 5. Time, value of money, and money, value of time. Again, let's take an example. A father gives his son two choices, rupees 1 lakh today or rupees 1 that doubles every day for 30 days. The boy picks rupees 1 lakh. Later, he realizes that if he had picked rupees 1 doubling every day, it would have become rupees 53 crore. So it is important to teach your children that they have to be very wise with their decisions. Whatever they are choosing in their life, it's gonna reflect how their life is gonna look in the future. So as I gave you an example where we talked about that a father gave two choices to a child, whether rupees 1 or rupees 1 lakh. The child in a hurry chose 1 lakh rupees, but he didn't understand. If he would have chosen that 1 rupee, he would have had 53 crore by the end of the month. So patience is the biggest key. You have to be patient. You have to give yourself and your investments time to grow, just like a plant. So when you plant a tree and you want fruits out of it, what do? You regularly water it, you take care of that plant, you wait for years until the plant has become a tree and it gives fruitful results. Just like that, you have to value time. And once you value the time will value your money. Money grows when invested wisely. But most importantly, if you use your time to learn and work hard, the value of your time will increase. So teach your students to respect the value of time and money equally. Well, these were the 5 lessons that you should teach your children. You will see them becoming independent, focused, and successful in their life. And this is something every parent wants. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.